Oh gosh, it's overwhelming. It's just, there's so much that you can learn. It's an online course where Allie guides you through every single step of the way, and everything comes out to be a masterpiece. You can't go wrong.
Favorite thing about Fresh Paint are really Allie's lessons. I absolutely love painting along with Allie. It makes the art so approachable, and the learning that I have had while I've been in the group has just been phenomenal.
He teaches how to do a solo and some different classes, different lessons on making your own thing, how to adjust an image, how to take that and translate that through the steps so that I actually end up with something that I had intended to, and that's a real success. And I'm so glad that I'm in Fresh Paint.
I saw Allie Kay's work on Instagram, and I thought, that's how I want to paint. And I joined, and it was like a light switch flipped, and I just found my joy again, my purpose, and community, and that's what I'd been missing.
It's hard to pick a favorite part because I came in because of the vibrant colors and Allie's instruction and her infectious, kind spirit. But I also stay for the community and all the friends that I've made over the last almost 4 years here.
Tell anybody, give it a try. It's the step-by-step that she gives you.
My favorite part of Fresh Paint is the community that we have to share Allie's artwork with, and then the beautiful, colorful pieces that she helps us to create every month.
I would say these people are the most welcoming, loving people I have ever met in my life. I text my sister and I said, I've met my people. This is where I belong. This is soul fulfilling.
Say it's an online art community, and it's just amazing because everyone's so positive, and it's a whole style of painting that is so inspiring, and you really feel like, because I've had friends say, oh, I couldn't do that. I go, well, you could actually. You've got templates and lessons, and it's just amazing that you look and go, oh, it looks pretty good.